For 40 years, we have shaped the art of living. Our journey begins with the hands of masters, selecting only the finest materials, rare woods and premium hides, shaping each component with patience and unwavering precision. Where others see raw materials, we see the foundation of something extraordinary. Every stitch carries a promise. Every seam stands as testament to standards that refuse to compromise. When your hand meets the leather, you feel decades of devotion. A devotion that accepts nothing less than perfection. Comfort is engineered, never assumed. Through rigorous and relentless testing, we ensure that what feels luxurious today will remain exceptional year after year, use after use. Beneath the surface lies our greatest strength: self-developed core technology, precision-engineered mechanisms, independently verified structures built to endure. Every layer, intentionally designed. Every detail, there for a reason. This is what it means to live with purpose, to sit with conviction, to trust completely in what you cannot see, because we have already seen it for you. Beitai Home, a trusted partner to the world today.